Have you ever replayed the same moment in your head so many times that it starts to feel like a Netflix series you never asked for? Yeah, welcome to the dark side of overthinking. And trust me, it's way less fun than it sounds. See, overthinking is like opening 32 tabs in your brain when you only needed one. You start with something simple like, did I lock the door? And suddenly your brain goes, what if you didn't? What if someone breaks in? What if they steal your TV? What if they steal your dog? What if the dog steals them? Relax. Take a breath. Your dog is fine. Probably. But that's the problem. Overthinking convinces you that every tiny situation is a life or death decision. You're not making choices, you're surviving imaginary disasters. And the worst part? Overthinking makes you tired, even before the day starts. You wake up, stretch, feel good for 0.3 seconds, and then your brain goes, hey, remember that embarrassing thing you did in 2017? Bro, it's 2025. Let it go. Overthinking also destroys confidence. Say someone doesn't text you back for an hour. A normal person thinks, they're probably busy. An overthinker thinks, they hate me. I must have said something wrong. Wait, did I breathe weird? Should I apologize for existing? Meanwhile, the person is literally just eating a sandwich. But here's the real dark side. Overthinking keeps you stuck. It convinces you to delay decisions, doubt your abilities, and fear the unknown. It makes the future scary even before you get there. And the truth is, most of the problems you fear don't even exist. In fact, research shows that almost 90% of the things we overthink never actually happen. Our brain is basically pranking us for free. So what's the solution? Start small. Break the thought loop. Tell your brain, not today, buddy. Focus on what's real, not what's possible. Replace overthinking with action, even tiny steps. And remind yourself, you've survived every bad day so far. You're way stronger than your thoughts make you feel. So the next time your mind starts overthinking, just remember, not everything needs a sequel. Sometimes one episode is enough.